Listen, no matter what you're doing, as much money as you want to make, as much content as you want to put out, I want you to remember one thing. Your level of growth and success is directly correlated to your level of self-development. So if you're not doing things like working on your health, if you're not meditating, if you're not taking care of yourself, I promise you there's going to be a point you're burnt out, you're lagging, and you're not getting the results you want. You've got to make sure you take care of yourself always. And so here's a few things I recommend. I do every morning. When you wake up, meditate. And it doesn't always have to be right in the morning, but I find that's the best time to do it. It's the easiest to drop into it. And it makes you get into a calm state of mind before you take on the day, where it starts to become an inconvenience to you and your brain. When your brain's like, I don't have time to do this, I gotta make money or whatever, right? So meditate at least 15 minutes a day. Ideally in the morning, right when you wake up, connect to your body, feel the energy in your body. I have plenty of YouTube videos too. If you need help, I have guided meditations. And then also too, you wanna make sure that you're working out daily. When you wake up in the morning too, after your meditation, do 50 burpees. Yes, it's not that much. It's really not that much. It'll take you maybe 10 minutes max if you're slow. Take you 5 minutes. But it's gonna charge you up, it's gonna give you energy, it's gonna give you something you accomplished and that was kind of hard in the morning. So everything after that feels a lot easier. You've also trained your dopamine system to be rewarded from work and putting in effort. So keep that in mind. Energy boosting activities like that, you've got to have those in your whatever. I don't even know what I was gonna say, the armory, your sack, whatever. Like, you gotta have those things ready to go. So keep that in mind. And then also with your nutrition, cut out the junk food, stop eating crap. You're gonna make your brain foggy. Our gut is directly connected to our brain. And so if your gut is destroyed and filled with garbage, so will your brain be, right? And if you don't have that clarity, you can't be creative. You can't channel the ideas that are actually gonna be good. You can't tap into divine inspiration too, that's gonna give you the sauce that you need to really pop off. I can tell you this, I have over 650,000 followers on TikTok, right? And here's the deal. 4 of those videos, I think, contributed to most of that growth, right? So it was constantly just putting in the work, and all of a sudden, boom, things popped off. And it's just because I listened to intuition and divine inspiration that was telling me what to do on that day. And so if you're not ready for that, you're gonna miss the opportunity, and the opportunity is really what can set you apart and make you feel like a loser versus a winner. And either way, it's a growth process, so don't get attached to that. But sometimes doors close that don't open back up for a very long time. So keep that in mind. Always make sure your energy is on point with things like that morning routine, doing your meditations, your fitness, nutrition, getting that in check, live a holistic lifestyle. I promise you it's gonna be a very good life jacket for your success along your journey.